Okay, good morning. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. I would like also to thank the university, the Polytechnical University of Valencia, and especially the Itaca TSB group that I can state that is very active, as Sergio said before. And I'm very happy to see this new and very, very clear model of how to transfer and how to concrete the transfer of this, the knowledge generated in a group to the market. It's a clear objective we have to have, and it's very ambitious, I've seen, but I think that it's also a model to other groups that maybe the usual process of creation of spin-offs is not always so clear and so established. On the other hand, my speech is about how a local authority or regional authority, because it's the local or regional is not the concept, is territorial authority, what kind of tools and promotion activities have to launch to establish the good environment to support this kind of technology transfer, and of course to focus that this knowledge is in the market. Because I think that we have no problem for the knowledge generation. We have the problem in the knowledge translation. So this is what we try to focus from the city of Valencia. We have now different sectors related, industrial sectors, economic sectors related to technologies, not the traditional ones, maybe, I don't know, in the construction or in shoes or etc., furniture, etc. They have technology associated, but we have some specific sectors that are, we can say, 80% knowledge, 20% industry. So it's very important to know how we have to proceed to support this kind of sectors. And in, I think this one, we create for this, with the support of all the different actors in the region at national level, and also the support of some European institutions, we create a network able to establish this environment, an environment in which we can concrete different objectives. But the two big objectives are to promote the knowledge generated, the capabilities of the research groups, universities, companies, and not only the knowledge, but also the market and the industrial potential in a territory, in this territory, in concrete, in Valencia. But on the other hand, we have another objective that is to promote the cooperation inside the sector, not only to promote outside the sector, but inside the sector at local level, in the same territory, to bring together in the same ship hospitals, companies, universities, specific and research institutes, etc. So we, 3 years ago, we defined a clear program, and the first step to know if a territory is enough able to put these tools and to success in this program is to know your potential. Your potential. We then we did a study. We identified the potential in this territory in Valencia and the metropolitan area related to the health sector, the science and technologies related to the health sector, and of course we identified that we have a very big potential. Valencia is the third city in Europe in number of students per inhabitant. So, and it's 140,000 people, students in Valencia, and 16% of these students are related to the health sector. And not all are going to be doctors in the public sector. So it's very important for us to create this kind of networks that this network will be the future of this kind of people with very high quality and with a lot of training. So we identify, we have a lot of companies. You can see we have a lot of different groups. 4 universities are working on just in Valencia for these sectors, 20 technological institutes and research centers, and more than 1,000 companies related to this sector. So we decide to establish what we call the program, and the network, it's called Jecobio, is a knowledge management network. And then on this base, we identify all the actors. We involve the hospitals that are very active, not only in the research area. There are 600 doctors in the research area in the region, but also because they have the clear test of the different products. Maybe, as Sergio said, is not the best solution. We have to focus on intermediates, and for this, we involve in the network also the companies. So we have what you understand, an important distribution of actors, and we consider that we have enough base to establish what we call the instruments to promote this cooperation and then this market. We consider that we have to link the different actors, and what we decide is to create a database and a knowledge management platform that links the technological expertise and the scientific expertise with the different application. Let's say I'm expert in optics, I work in ophthalmology, but I also work in another area. So this is very comfortable for the different typology of actors, companies, the research groups, and because each one